Welcome to MANNOE Income Tax and Multi-Services. I'm Mr. Munstein, and I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into something that could make a significant difference in your financial journey. We're talking about IRS Form 8863, your key to unlocking education tax credits that can save you thousands of dollars. Whether you're a student or a parent footing the tuition bill, this form is essential, and I'm here to guide you through it. So, what exactly is IRS Form 8863? This form is your ticket to claiming education tax credits. Specifically, the American Opportunity Tax Credit, AOTC, and the Lifetime Learning Credit, LLC. The AOTC can give you up to $2,500 per student, while the LLC can provide up to $2,000 per return. These credits are designed to help offset the costs of tuition, books, and other qualified expenses at eligible post-secondary institutions. Now, you might be wondering, who qualifies for these credits? To be eligible for the AOTC, you, your spouse, or your dependent must be enrolled at least half-time in a degree program. You also need to have paid qualified education expenses, and your income must fall below certain limits, specifically, a modified adjusted gross income MAGI of under $90,000 if you're single, or under $180,000 if you're married filing jointly. Let's talk about how to use Form 8863. Start by obtaining IRS Form 1098T from your school, which shows the tuition you've paid. You'll fill out Part 1 for the refundable portion of the AOTC, and Part 2 for the non-refundable portion and the LLC. Don't forget to attach Form 8863 to your Form 1040 when you file your taxes. We also have a detailed walkthrough available for IRS Form 8863, which breaks down how to complete each section, including income limits and credit calculations. It's a great resource to ensure you're getting everything right. Now, let's break down the credits a bit more. The AOTC covers the first 4 years of college, and here's a fantastic perk. 40% of the credit up to $1,000 is refundable, meaning you can receive that amount even if you owe no tax. On the other hand, the LLC is available for any level of post-secondary education or job training, but it's non-refundable. As you navigate this process, be mindful of common mistakes to avoid. These include claiming the AOTC for more than 4 years, forgetting to include Form 1098T, and overstating expenses that aren't required by your school. We have resources that walk you through the credit limit calculations and help you report tuition correctly to avoid disqualification. Remember, education is power, and knowing how to claim your credits is equally empowering. At MANNOE Income Tax and Multi-Services, we're dedicated to ensuring your tax return reflects every dollar you deserve. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Call us at 305-469-1209 or visit MANNOE. Thank you for joining me today. Together, we're empowering our community one tax credit at a time. If you found this information helpful, consider following us for more insights. Take care.